channel, I'm Emma. I'm really inspired to do this makeup by Selena on Instagram. You can see her photos here. How gorgeous. So when I first saw this photo, I instantly felt like I wanna do this makeup in my own version. Let's get started. You can see I already did face makeup and eyebrow. Her face looked really healthy and glow, a little tan, so I feel like contouring makes our skin look like her. I'm gonna use my Tarte makeup box to put more contouring cheek line to make my skin look healthier and tanned. Her eye makeup is smoky but not too much. You can do it daily. I'm gonna use my Naked 3 palette again. I'm gonna use this color Liar as base. I'm gonna apply this color Mugshot by using this basic brush. And I'm gonna use Dark Side for finishing my eye makeup before applying eyeliner. Oh, I love to do makeup because I look a lot better and it's fun. Yeah. I'm gonna use this pencil black eyeliner on the line and a little bit of eyeliner before I apply brush type eyeliner. Because it's a smoky makeup, so I want to do dramatic, you know what I mean? It contains a little pearl. Actually, after this makeup, I will go to grocery shopping. So excited to go to a grocery store while wearing this smoky eye makeup. Because I don't want to take it off. I'm lazy. Under eyeliner too. Boom. Maybelline. Draw the line. Let's be sexy, hot, like Selena Gomez. It's okay not drawing well the eyeliner because I will use eyeshadow again after applying eyeliner. Don't worry. Sometimes I do when I'm so busy. It's time too hard to focus on drawing eyeliner in the morning. My eyes look a lot bigger, right? So feel good. Use this brush again and use my Naked 3 palette again. Actually, I have other eyeshadow palettes, but I want to make this makeup tutorial simple and clear, so I just want to use one palette. So I'm gonna use this Dark Heart. It's a little bit violet color compared to her makeup, but I want to make this makeup kinda in my own version to make this eyeliner look more natural and smoky. I'm gonna use this brush to make it like natural and apply left side too. Don't forget that, that's important. Smudge it. Yeah, I'm gonna apply this dust color to give my eyes more impact. Finger again, put this on the middle part of your eyelid. I'm gonna apply it again. I wanna apply mascara, but I told you I wear hard lens, so I'm not gonna apply, but if you apply mascara, the makeup looks the way similar like Selena Gomez. On her photo, her skin looks tanned and kinda sunburned, so I'm gonna apply red blusher containing gold pearl. I'm gonna use this Starnanda's 3C face blush. The color is Puri Red. Smile. The most important thing of her makeup is lip. The bright red color really brightens her face, so I'm gonna use a red tint. Secret Neon Tint. I also made a makeup tutorial by using this product to show you guys how to do Korean tint makeup. So you guys check. I put the link in my description box below. This color is really bright, so be careful when you apply. You can see the color is really bright. I'm gonna use brush to finish this whole lip makeup. Apply this like this, and I'm gonna use this palette again. Dust color. Let's do highlight. Make my skin look glow. Let's be a hot woman. Sometimes I feel really fake. To be honest, when I finish my makeup, I look more than 10 times better than when I don't wear any makeup. But try to feel not ashamed of that. Just as I feel the way more comfortable to show my natural face. That's one good thing to get older, just feeling a little bit comfortable about my skin. I really want to have a light for filming, but I will move to Canada soon. I'm waiting to get a new light for filming. Yeah, if I don't wear hard lens, I really want to put fake lashes. That's like a game changer. you know, I want to make this makeup simple, easy, clear, so I'm not gonna wear that. It's the last part of my makeup, you know, always put this fixer, ultra setting, real fixer. Thanks for watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. And I always say that, just let me know what kind of content you guys want to see on my channel. Have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and see you on my next video. Bye!